Hello, security enthusiasts! Today, we're delving into the realm of safety and convenience with the top 5 video intercom systems of 2024. From futuristic features to cutting-edge technology, these systems redefine home and business security. Stick around as we dissect the capabilities, user-friendliness, and innovation behind each system. Find purchase links in the description to elevate your security game. Don't forget to engage, hit the like button, subscribe for more security tech reviews, and ring the bell for future updates. Starting at number 5, the Anjielosmart 5-in-1 Unlock Doorbell Video Intercom stands out as a comprehensive and advanced solution for home security and communication. With a 2.0 MP camera offering a wide 148-degree view angle, it ensures clear and detailed images, allowing users to easily identify visitors. The system supports two-way communication between the indoor and outdoor units, enhancing security by enabling conversations without opening the door. An impressive feature is the compatibility with the ANGA Smart app, supporting both iOS and Android devices. This allows users to receive calls at both the monitor and smartphone simultaneously, providing flexibility and convenience. The motion detection capability further adds to the security aspect, automatically recording videos or capturing snapshots even if the doorbell isn't pressed. The system's fingerprint access feature adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only authorized individuals can enter the premises. The ability to identify and evaluate visitors before opening the door enhances overall safety. One notable advantage is the video recording function, which serves as a valuable tool for evidence in case of security concerns. The clear video quality, combined with two-way communication, makes this intercom system an effective and user-friendly security solution. In conclusion, the Anjielosmart 5-in-1 Unlock Doorbell Video Intercom is a suitable choice for buyers seeking a comprehensive and technologically advanced home security system with features like clear video quality, fingerprint access, visitor identification, and two-way communication. At number 4, the Mounttoown 7-inch video intercom system offers a blend of style, functionality, and security for homeowners seeking a reliable door monitoring solution. The ultra-slim design of the 7-inch indoor monitor, with the option for wall-mounted installation, adds a touch of luxury to any setting. Users can customize their experience with 25 doorbell ring options, adjustable volume, and settings for chroma and brightness. The outdoor camera is robust and weather-resistant, ensuring durability against rain and oxidation. Equipped with AR cut technology, it delivers clear and colorful images even in low-light conditions. Impressively, the system supports multiple unlock methods, including ID cards, passwords, and remote controls, providing flexibility and convenience for users. The ease of communication and control is a standout feature. Users can effortlessly monitor visitors, engage in conversation, and unlock the door, all from the comfort of their indoor monitor. The system's easy installation, aided by the provided adapter and cable, makes it suitable for various settings, from villas and apartments to offices and public buildings. The inclusion of features like infrared LEDs for night vision, rainproof cover, and a hands-free intercom system enhances the overall user experience. Additionally, the support for multiple outdoor and indoor units makes it scalable for different property types. In summary, the Mounttoown Video Intercom System is an excellent choice for potential buyers who prioritize style, convenience, and robust security features in a door monitoring system for their homes or establishments. At number 3, the Anjielosmart Touchscreen Video Intercom System stands out as a comprehensive and technologically advanced solution for home security and communication. With a 2.0 MP camera offering a 140-degree wide-angle view, the system ensures a clear and extensive field of vision for monitoring outdoor activities. One notable feature is the seamless two-way communication between the indoor and outdoor units, with the added convenience of supporting communication between multiple monitors. The integration with the ANGA Smart app extends functionality to iOS and Android smartphones, enabling users to answer calls and monitor their property remotely. Equipped with motion detection, the system automatically records videos or captures snapshots when triggered, enhancing security by providing visual documentation of events. The 1080p camera with smart motion detection ensures clear and real-time alerts, keeping users informed of any approaching visitors. The system's durability is underscored by its rainproof and night vision capabilities, with an IP65 waterproof design and IR LED for enhanced night vision. It works reliably in various weather conditions. The anti-vandal design further contributes to the system's robustness. A thoughtful addition is the clock and date mode, not only enhancing the system's functionality, but also serving as an aesthetic feature. The automatic display of time when in use and its disappearance during inactivity contributes to screen protection and longevity. In summary, the Anjielosmart video intercom system is ideal for potential buyers seeking a sophisticated, feature-rich, and user-friendly solution to enhance their home security, communication, and convenience. At number 2, the Jway video intercom system presents a modern and convenient solution for home security and communication. Its standout feature is the wireless connection capability, setting it apart from traditional wired intercom systems. With a built-in antenna, the monitor effortlessly connects to Wi-Fi, allowing users to remotely control the doorbell system via the Jway Smart Life app on their mobile phones. Setting up the system is remarkably straightforward. A key selling point: users can easily configure Wi-Fi by entering the password through the menu, streamlining the process. The app further enhances user experience, automatically searching for devices or allowing quick addition through code scanning. The system's 7-inch TFT display with 1080p resolution delivers high-quality visuals, complemented by a 2.0 MP FHD camera and LED night vision for clear monitoring even in low-light conditions. The touch menu operation, MP4 player, and multilingual menu contribute to user-friendly navigation. Security features include motion detection sensing and support for a max 128 GB micro SD card recording. The system also facilitates inter-room interphone communication, making it a versatile home security and communication tool. With its sleek design, intelligent remote control capabilities, and robust functionality, the Jway video intercom system is suitable for potential buyers seeking a modern, wireless, and user-friendly solution to enhance their home security and communication experience. At number 1, the Hikvision Keys E604 Video Intercom Kit offers an advanced and convenient solution for home security and access control. With its IP connectivity, this video doorphone allows real-time viewing of visitors through your smartphone from anywhere globally, providing a sense of security for homeowners. The kit's standout feature is its compatibility with Hikvision NVRs and the Hik Connect application, streamlining the management of various Hikvision products within a unified interface. The integration of an SD card slot, up to 32 GB, for storing images and conversations adds an extra layer of security. The camera boasts a high-quality 2MP HD resolution with IR supplement for clear visuals even in low-light conditions. The wide-angle view, horizontal, 129 degrees, vertical, 75 degrees, ensures comprehensive coverage. The built-in speaker and microphone facilitate two-way communication, while the option for door release via the touchscreen or smartphone, including electronic lock support, enhances control and convenience. The user-friendly design, 7-inch colorful touchscreen, and compatibility with various devices, Windows, MHC, iOS, Android, contribute to its usability. The support for Wi-Fi, web configuration, and standard PoE simplifies the setup process without the need for extensive wiring. Overall, the Hikvision KE604 Video Intercom Kit is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, feature-rich, and user-friendly solution for home security. Whether you prioritize remote access, clear visual monitoring, or integrated access control, this kit provides a comprehensive and seamless experience for potential buyers. Thank you for watching our product review video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.